There's stuff in the column. I'm on bait.
Nice, bro.
I'd be surprised if we didn't get a hook up here.
I'm on, and it feels like an no-no.
Your fish off to the right or left? Straight out? I think I see it.
Side. This actually might be Sheeby.
All right, head shakes.
He's coming up. I've got tuna shake.
He's up top. Time it right, because he might go bananas if you don't land a good shot here, so go for a headshot. I hate to break to you, bro. That is your PB, but that is nowhere near the size. You were making it sound like it was an 80. You got him? That is a 40, I think. Let me know if you need ice, but I think that fits in your bag pretty well, actually. Yeah. I think you finally got a 40-pound pelagic. Should we try to put him in mine? That's a 40, 100%. That was a good Takagi shot.
Oh, we are definitely... You have fish.
Yeah, everyone is. Come on, guy. Nice, nice. The maneuver. Luckily, it's dead flat out here. That's a nice fish. Look, corner of the jaw. I told you.
That was the experience of a lifetime right there. That's why I moved up.
There we go, there we go. We're making progress here. There we go.
Fuck.
That thing is cocooned. We can stay out here for hours if we don't do anything to it.
Let's do it.
All right, let's try to catch another fish.
Let's do it. Let's get you on a fish. Oh, he's hooked up. Yeah, let's go, Tuna!
It's on. Oh, it just broke.
No.
Broke or pulled. Wow. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
What's that?
My line is like tapered. So like my line got like stretched, like it looks like it's like it gets narrower to like a little tiny point, like a needle, and it just cut off. I don't know what that means.
Weird.
Like I'm keeping the end. Yeah, I'm marking stuff. On. One aerial right behind the boat.
I heard that.
Wow. Went down.
All right, I'm gonna follow you. see that. That's taking big runs.
Could have gotten eaten by a shark. I think I got sharked.
I don't know, man. That kind of looks... You think it got hit by a shark?
Yeah. I think I got sharked. Based on the size of that initial splash and then this bend.
You never know. That could be a really big sheebie. It's bouncing.
No, that's me bouncing. This is a bigger fish than yours. It's totally a shark. It wasn't at first though. I think it was an Ono or sheebie at first. These sharks.
If you're certain it's a shark, bro, just thumb pressure and let that thing pop.
I'm like 90% certain, but I don't want to take that bet. I'm starting to make progress here. Come on, Talica, let's work it. The Talica is boss. I can reassure you it's not my lower back though. I can tell you I'm not babying this whatsoever. I got it in extra double heat. Probably like 35 pounds of drag. The first run was not shark, but this is shark. Yeah! It's fun fighting it though. All right, this guy's approaching. Huge shark. Yeah.
How are you gonna play this?
I'm gonna try to get as much of my leader back. There goes my line. I might be able to get enough top shot back here. Okay. Oh, check out that shark. Do you see it?
No, I can't get on the other side of you.
Look.
But I got my GoPro underwater.
Look at this beast.
What is it?
Big Galapagos, I think. Oh, look at it. Do you f***ing see it? Come over here. Come look at this.
No. Just cut it. I'll take the GoPro footage. Get that thing away.
It's whooped.
Get that thing out of here before he takes your line out.
Look at it.
Oh, I can see it from here. Oh, screw that.
Holy. Oh. That was a 200-pound plus shark right there.
Bitched it.
Yeah. Oh, my lower back feels that pain though. Oh.